Hi everyone, this is our project VelocityX, which is a crypto derivative, high frequency derivative platform built on Fuel network. And the main thing our product is first it is built on Fuel network, as we are according to our research we are the first movers creating a derivative trading platform on Fuel. And considering the mainnet launch of Fuel, we like Fuel has a high speed and low gas fee infrastructure, which makes it ideal for like decentralized finance to grow. And also we have integrated Pyth Oracle for real-time feeds during our settlement of the derivatives, or basically futures and perpetuals. Currently we only support three perpetual and future markets, that is USD, BTC USD, and Solana USD. In future roadmap we'll be increasing these to more derivatives possible. So yeah, so the current highlights are we are still working on the on-chain order book. Currently we have a off-chain order book that we built during this hackathon, and on-chain order book integration to VelocityX will make the trading more high frequency trading more transparent on Fuel network. Basically we have to do market expansion to more crypto derivatives that I just told you before. So here are some main business things. The total addressable market of whole crypto is 1 trillion, and the serviceable market that that our product can service in possibly is of like 250 billion. But currently what we have built, according to that, the service obtainable market is of 5 billion. This is for whole crypto, and considering only 1% or 0.5% of that whole market is still very huge, and I see potential on Fuel so that we can grow our platform and as a DeFi project on Fuel network very easily. The main thing why we built on Fuel network. So first thing is or the main thing is basically high throughput and low fees, which makes it very ideal for decentralized finance to grow. Fuel has a great tooling around building smart contracts in a very professional manner, almost like close to Solidity. And the ecosystem is very I guess on the test network it is very stable, that we never experienced in any other blockchain. So yeah, that is also a main thing, because most of the things that is needed in a DeFi projects are already implemented in the examples only, like the automated market makers and Oracle integrations. Also seen order books being implemented in it. So yeah, the 4 points, which is native support for DeFi innovations, is very high, I see. Also we have a first mover advantage according to our research, and feel is a good or great blockchain to do high frequency trading, and that's why our product fits in very well in using Fuel network in a very efficient way. So this is our whole architecture, which is the first there are three parts of it. One is on-chain layer, off-chain, and our user interface. In the on-chain layer we have deployed our smart contracts, which handle both the perpetuals and we have smart contract for the both perpetuals and futures. And we have integrated collateral management and expiry date settlement automatically using Pyth Oracle. So Pyth Oracle triggers. And yeah, also we have a risk management, and the risk management will automatically liquidate both the long and short parties based on the losses and basically the real-time price feed that we are getting from the Python Oracle integration to the smart contract. We also have a off-chain order book I told you previously, and we'll be moving it on-chain, or possibly using AMM and liquidity pools to make the throughput very high. But for now we have off-chain order book directly integrated to smart contract and our user interface, so it automatically matches and settles a transaction based on the order of long and short users. And it is a very simple order book, works on like closely matching basically matching contract price from the actual asset, basically the derivative asset price. And this order book is also integrated to the front end. So on successful matching it will automatically from a socket connection will automatically send auto matching notifications. So yeah, this is our whole architecture, and these are some part of UI we'll be showing more in the further demo. And yeah, so the main thing is our future roadmap that we'll build after this hackathon. First thing, on-chain order book, or possibly the second thing, which may take more time, is AMM integrations. But considering that it is already built on basically fuel network, so we have to see how we can incorporate it a short period of time. Third thing is growing our liquidity. If we integrate our automated market makers, this can be done by like improve like increasing the derivative count, or possibly integrating off-chain derivatives like stock markets directly to like on-chain using Oracle feeds. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching this presentation, and now we'll jump right into the demo. Okay, so this is our demo. So currently we only support three derivatives. I'll quickly go with Ethereum, and you can see Ethereum is trading at 2440, and we have our margin at basically 1000x leverage, so we have at 2.4, and we can just like buy more leverage at low margin. And you can also select the number of contracts that you want to have at a single time, or you want to trade. And now we'll quickly just go with a simple implementation. We'll go with 1x leverage and 1x leverage, and quickly submit. Before that, you can also see the positions that I previously made, and the order book, like basically how many trades we have, or we have been our order book is settling here. We'll quickly go with long, and before this I have a different account here. I'll also go with Ethereum so that I'll buy it. Okay, so we have 2.43, and I'll for easy order matching, I'll just re-execute this. And yeah, so we have 2.43 both here, and I'll submit this transaction and for long. And yeah, I'll approve this. So yeah, I've successfully placed an order, and you can see I've purchased a long at 2.44 here. And I'll do same with so here I'll go with short and submit. Okay, so here you can see the order is successfully matched and also placed. So if I go to my previous account, so you can see here also our long order is matched to the other users short order because of the order matching that we have implemented here. So we have this order book that we created. It is connected to a smart contract which will automatically settle or basically create a futures contract on chain. And this is a smart contract implementation for both the basically we are working on chain order book, but it's still not integrated. These are basically contract that for basically automatically managing basically Python integration and auto settlement of transaction and risk management on futures. And this is the code of basically our Python integration, and it's very simple because we are getting the price feed only. And yeah, that's it from the code side. And we have this chart implementation which provides you a lot more indicators that you can easily do like advanced ratio here. And you can easily analyze the charts of, so you can better, so people can better trade or basically make risk management more easier. You can see the 5-year chart, 6-month chart, or even 1-day chart. There are a lot more or basically candle view also. This is super interesting. And yeah, we also support more derivatives. Uh, we have BTC USD. So yeah, you can easily buy it from here. You can also see the order book transaction is automatically converted to the to basically yeah. Okay, so we have some transaction that we did just now, and I'll quickly re-verify that okay, the transaction are on chain. And if I do okay here, and I'll go with transaction, and you can see yep. So you can see the transaction just 4 minutes ago that we just did. We created a futures on chain in a VelocityX platform. 4 minutes ago we have purchased that for this much. It basically automatically converted, and yep, everything is on chain. And this is our smart contract, deployed smart contract URL. um, okay, yeah. Yeah, so this is our a deployed smart contract, and you can see basically the total amount of margin deposited to this contract.